Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Dodge Charger backseat. First, locate the two release points at the front base of the seat cushion, usually found near the front edge. Pull up firmly on each side to disengage the clips. Once both sides are released, lift the front edge of the seat cushion upward. Then, slide the entire cushion forward and out of the vehicle. This initial step is straightforward. The bottom seat cushion is primarily held in place by two metal inserts or plastic pins, one on each side. You generally won't need any special tools for this part, just a firm, upward pull. Make sure all seat belts are unbuckled and clear before attempting to lift. Once the pins are disengaged, the cushion should lift straight up and can be removed from the car. With the seat cushion removed, you can now access the bolts securing the seat back. Start by folding down the rear seat armrest, which often reveals two bolts. Use a 13mm or 18mm socket wrench to carefully remove these bolts. Be sure to keep track of them. Sometimes, there might be additional hidden fasteners, so check thoroughly around the base and sides of the seat back. After removing the bolts, the seat back typically lifts straight up from its mounting hooks or clips. You'll need to carefully guide the seat belts through their respective openings as you remove the seat back. Some Charger models might have spring clips that require a long flathead screwdriver to depress for release. Once free, store the seat and all hardware in a safe place to avoid any damage.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.